Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button. I want to bring you into something crazy here, something that a lot of YouTubers and other chart analysts aren't talking about, and it's the 2-week chart. Each of these candles is 2 weeks. Let's talk about the 2-week chart. I want to take you through the last 4 to 5 times the 2-week chart went up. Man, about 4 is all we need. There's one, 13% gains for the Dow Jones. We're looking at the Dow Jones as well too, everybody, which is correlated to Bitcoin and the market. So whatever happens to the Dow seems to be coupling. So I want to see if the Dow can show strength. If the Dow can show strength, it'll be better for Bitcoin and the crypto market. Look at this, 28% gains. The last time we were low, 2-week low, bang, 13%. 2-week low, there again. Even when the 2-week retraced again, you could have said that this was your initial first bump. Then we retraced again. That was your initial entry there, and this was your second bump. So first one was 20, second one was 13. We got an average right there, 26 and 19. Yeah, we got an average sitting at about 40, yeah, about 15%. Did my super chat go through? Yes, it did. Thank you so much. Let's take a look at it. Missed the TA on XLM yesterday. Many thanks, bro. Much respect to you and yours. Thank you so much for the super chat. You guys are awesome for sending super chats that way through Streamlabs. Where is it going, though? That's one thing. I have never set up my accounts. I don't know where it's going. I don't know what percentages they take. Yeah, it's funny, right? There's always someone taking a dime out of you. So, look, the 2-week is low here again. And if you caught the wick, but fine, if you didn't even catch the wick, I mean, that was glorious. That was a 75% gain on the 2-week. 2-week is low again, all right? So it just behooves me to say that every time we're low here on the 2-week chart, we see a massive move in the Dow Jones, at least 13%. But I mean, the last few times it's been pretty scrumptious. Right there we had a move, right there we had a move, right there. Honestly, I've never seen the 2-week get this low below the dotted line and not have a pump ever since, no, the 2-week's been pumping the Dow Jones since right here. We could go even further, but right now I have confirmation since 2003. So for 20 years, the 2-week chart has been pumping the Dow Jones when we're at these low points. It's quite interesting. So this is telling me that the Dow Jones has a highly likely probability of booming to the upside, contrary to what everyone else is saying and what a lot of people are talking about. Everyone else and basically the world and the markets are, spelling recession, downtrend, things are going down. But show me the charts and I will show you the news. Now, I can't guarantee any of this, but let's come back to this a month, 2 months from now when the 2-week really has time to play out. Let's see how this played out into fruition. If it did, if 4 months from now you see this, maybe you want to join my trading group. Maybe you want to learn what I'm doing. Maybe you want to figure out the strategies that I'm picking up and putting down to look at world markets. Thank you so much for looking at this with me. I just wanted to point it out and kind of quell the fears here. The 2-week chart looks very bullish for the Dow Jones. A lot of people don't look at the 2-week. A lot of people don't even load it up or use it as a time frame. Thank you so much for watching. If you like how I broke this down, if you like how I made it look simple and easy, actually nothing's easy, but if I made it simple and easy to understand, come on into my live stream, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I also do group classes every Tuesday, Eastern Standard Time, 3 to 5 p.m. I teach you how to use those stochastics that I just talked about, how to use the things that I just went over, and more measured moves, Fibonacci, you name it. Jump into my Discord. I have an amazing trading group. Link is in the description below. I can't wait to see you there. Everyone, thank you so much for jumping on in. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next information download. Check it out.